So I thought I'd make a little video on how to put these Tapcon bolts in, because that's what we're using to hold the poles for this railing that we're putting up here in the garage. And first thing you got to do is locate where you want the holes. Now I want this plate to have a 1-inch reveal. And I want this seam facing towards the door. And I want the face of this metal lined up with that line right there. So that puts me right there. So we mark the holes. Now I really dislike these hand tightened chucks. I wish they'd go back to the old day with a key where you could get it tight. I've already had one problem with this, but we'll see if this will drill the holes. This is the bolt I'm using, and you always want to have a little more space underneath the bolt. So I almost want to go flush to the drill here so that I have that space underneath so it doesn't bottom out. I also have the thickness on the bottom of the post, so I'll be good. And this is loud. And the other thing is, you don't want to put a lot of pressure on your here. You want the hammer drill to do the work. Just put enough force on it to make it go down, but you don't really push. You want to empty the hole out of the dust because it drills better when it's not drilling in the dust. You want to clean the hole out, you don't want to try to drill into the dust. And I'm only going to put 2 bolts in to hold it, because you got to weld the railing on the top, and it may take a little adjustment. So that's a good lesson learned. The problem with that socket was it's a 12 point and it doesn't grab the bolt well enough. This is a 6 point, so it shouldn't spin. More like it. Now this one's not going to want to go straight in. And that's with only 2.